Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing a get ready with me before work. I thought it'd be just like a quick little video for you guys, so I'm going to put my hair up first. Then I'm going to be going in with some NYX pomade, and that's what I use to do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna spoolie them, brush them out. I just got my eyebrows done, so now I'm gonna fill it in. I usually just do the outline on the bottom. I'm sorry about the white balance on here, the exposure. I didn't realize it was happening until halfway through. So what I did here was I outlined the top as well, and now I'm filling it in, and here goes the exposure. I haven't found a good place to film yet, so excuse all of this. But all I'm doing is filling in the rest of my eyebrow between the outline of the bottom and the top. And this is me realizing that eyebrows make a difference. And now let's try to match it on the other side. My eyebrows are definitely sisters and never twins, but a girl can try. Alright, so my eyebrows are done. They look about as good as I could get. Now concealer. Okay, I'm going to be using an E.L.F concealer. I don't remember what shade this is in, but I'm just taking that on a brush and cue the exposure every time I look into my mirror. It's fine. Then conceal all around my eyebrow. Alright, now that that's all done, let's move on to eyeliner. I don't usually wear too much makeup when I go to work because work stresses me out and I don't need all my makeup moving anywhere. So I'm just gonna throw on some winged eyeliner and call it done. By the way, I am using Tarte's Clay Liner. It is currently my favorite eyeliner to use. And there goes one wing. Let's see if we can match it on the other side. Yay, so they look good for once, I guess. I should stop being condescending of myself. It's fine. So, next I will be doing some subtle highlight. This is the UltaBeauty highlight. I don't know what it's called. Don't remember when I got it, but I remember it came in the free makeup bag that you usually get along with that brush I'm using. I just pop a little highlighter on my cheeks. Can't really tell because the exposure, but it's fine. It's fine. There she goes. There. She notices finally. You can kind of see the glow. It's a subtle glow, but it's still a glow. It's fine. She's still cute. Now she's trying to adjust the brightness, but she's still cute. Now I am just putting highlight under my brows, along the bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose, because it's cute. If you guys liked the video, please leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, even though it wasn't a lot. Bye. See you next time.